But speaking of data and understanding and figuring out the trends, Don, tell us a little bit about Bubblemaps and where NFTs fit into the picture, or even where the idea just sort of started to click.
Yeah, absolutely. So, of course, as I mentioned earlier, started this project called Bubblemaps about a year and a half ago, sometime like that, and it can be used to scan NFT collections in the sense, you have the holders list and then the top 150 holders or owners as bubbles on screen. And you can very quickly and easily, of course, see if there's been a transfer of funds between those top owners. Now, this is absolutely crucial to understand because, like, if you were to see this, you would know what's going on behind the scenes. Is there any wash trading taking place? Why are these amounts being sent across? But to just highlight that in a way which kind of goes beyond standard blockchain explorers is crucial. I think like this NFT space is it's amazing that artists I think are getting funding, getting paid, getting rewarded for their hard work and their fine art and all of that. But there are a few bad actors, a few bad eggs out there. So to have Bubblemaps out there illuminating NFT collections, I think is super important. It's something we've seen. We've seen these unsavory, really, really bad NFT collections with mass amounts of connections, which you otherwise maybe wouldn't have seen with the blockchain explorers. But yeah, there's all shapes and sizes out there, but I think to have this really does help kind of like educate and teach people about what to see, what to find. And like with the knowledge you'll gain over with PaintSwap about all the data with the volumes, with the trading amounts and all of that, and match it with kind of Bubblemaps, you're going to be set. I mean, if you're just entering the NFT world, these are, I don't want to sound egotistical, but I know these are good fundamental tools to have to kind of set you off and jump into the NFT world, really. I mean, all it takes is to just type in a contract in there, and within seconds you can see the inner workings of that collection.